The device not found error on your Lorex NVR means your NVR is unable to detect or connect to your cameras. As of September 2025, this is commonly due to network misconfigurations, outdated firmware, or ISP restrictions. The first fastest fix is re-adding devices. Through the NVR's web interface or Lorex Home app version 4.8.1 or later, remove the problematic camera and then re-add it using its MAC address or serial number. The updated app features automatic connection retries and real-time diagnostics, making this process smoother. The second fix is IP scan. Use the NVR's built-in IP scanner to detect devices on your local network. Confirm both the NVR and cameras are on the same subnet, such as 192.168.1.x. If the built-in scanner isn't working, try a third-party tool like Advanced IP Scanner. The third fix is P2P bind. Lorex uses P2P service to allow for remote access without needing port forwarding. Bind the camera through the app using its unique ID. Make sure your firewall isn't blocking the connection, that UPnP is enabled, and disable any VPNs temporarily to test if they are interfering. If basic fixes don't resolve the device not found error, assign static IP addresses to your cameras. Dynamic IP changes can cause disconnects, so setting a fixed IP prevents this issue. Ensure you're running the latest firmware. Lorex has released updates in versions 2.5.x and above that specifically address connectivity issues. Check for updates regularly through the NVR interface or Lorex Home app. Consider potential network interference. Electromagnetic interference from other IoT devices can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Identify and minimize sources of EMI in your setup. Looking ahead, Lorex is integrating AI-driven diagnostics for automatic connectivity fixes, hybrid cloud local systems for reliable access, and 5G-enabled NVRs with predictive maintenance. Encrypted P2P connections and annual firmware checks are becoming industry standards. If all else fails, contact a professional installer. DIY setups have a 25% error recurrence rate, while professional installations reduce this significantly for more reliable performance.